Today guys, I will be showing you how to get overpowered Terraria items for free. Select multiplayer and select character. Click servers, click add and type the server IP. Click connect and once you're here, go to the item section. Wait until it's teleport you or just type /item in the menu. And you will be shifted to the items dimension. As you can see, there are many chests here, and you can pick whatever you like. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more.